Hello students, myself Rakesh Kumar Meena, Assistant Professor in English at Government College Rajgarh, and in this video lecture we will discuss on Indian poet Nissim Ezekiel and his famous poem Night of the Scorpion. There are some important points related to the poet and his poetry on which I will talk during this lecture, and these points are: first one is the introduction to the poet, second one is works and distinctions, third Nissim Ezekiel as an Indo-English poet, fourth one is as a poet of the mind, his contribution to the love poetry, and the last point is introduction to the poem. So now I am going to cover these points one by one. So first point is introduction to the poet. Nissim Ezekiel was born in Mumbai in 1924. He comes of a Jewish family settled down in Bombay. His father was a teacher in a college and his mother was a teacher in a primary school. He studied in Bombay and he stood first in MA English examination of the Bombay University in 1947 and was awarded the R.K. Lagu Prize. Then he worked as a lecturer in English in Khalsa College, Bombay. He went to England for higher studies and joined Birkbeck College, London. There he spent 3.5 years. During his stay in England, he showed a keen interest in the theatre, in the cinema, and in art. He also studied psychology and philosophy. Our next point is his works and distinctions. Nissim Ezekiel has been a visiting professor at universities in the USA, Australia, and England. The Government of India conferred on him the title of Padma Shri in recognition of his services to literature, and he also received the Sahitya Academy Award for Literature. His famous works are: his famous volumes of poems are A Time to Change, which was published in 1952. Next one is the 60 Poems in 1953. The third in 1959. The Unfinished Man, which was published in 1960. The Exact Name in 1965. Hymns in Darkness in 1976, and the last one is the Latter Day Psalms, which was published in 1982. He has also written 3 plays which were published in 1969. He is also a very good art critic. Next point is the Nissim Ezekiel as an Indo-English poet. Nissim Ezekiel occupies a very high rank as a writer of Indo-English poetry, and his contribution to this poetry is very substantial, witty, and valuable. In fact, we can regard him as one of the towering figures among the Indo-English poets. His poetry has many facets, and it has certainly enriched Indo-English poetry and given a new dimension to it by extending its scope and its range. Next point is the Nissim Ezekiel as a poet of the mind. Nissim Ezekiel is a poet of the mind. He shows a marked tendency to probe the human mind, and his poems reveal not only the conscious but also the subconscious thoughts and conflicts of human beings, and more particularly his own thoughts and conflicts. Indeed, his primary concern is with man and man's mind. Our next point is his contribution to love poetry. Ezekiel has made a fairly large contribution to the love poetry written by Indo-English poets. His love poems are mostly concerned with physical and sexual relationships between man and woman. The theme of such poems is sensuality and lust, and not true love or love which has its basis in the heart and the emotions. And our last point is the introduction to the poem Night of Scorpion. This poem has been taken from Nissim Ezekiel's volume of poems entitled The Exact Name, which was published in 1965. The poem reads like a story. The speakers in the poem narrates an incident of how his mother was stung by a scorpion one night when it was raining heavily. The speaker may be imaginary. The incident itself may be actual or imaginary. But it is a perfectly realistic and convincing incident. And with this, it is the end of this video lecture. In my next video, I will explain the described text of the poem Night of Scorpion. I hope you have enjoyed this video lecture. Thank you.